The summer season is about to begin, and during this hot season, fruits and vegetable juices benefit our health a lot. You must have tried mixed fruit juices or beetroot juice. But did you know that just carrot juice is a treasure trove of excellent nutrients? Even if you are struggling with weak immunity, drinking carrot juice can prove to be extremely beneficial for you. And before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel to keep yourself updated with health and self-care related information. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified about my future videos. Let's get started. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and potassium. Moreover, carrot juice contains many nutrients like proteins, fiber and other important vitamins. According to few studies, carrot juice contains a lot of antioxidants and are considered beneficial for everyone. Few researchers claim that even diabetic patients can drink carrot juice in moderate quantities. A study conducted on rats with type 2 diabetes also showed that fermented carrot juice decreases blood sugar. Drinking carrot juice can boost your immunity. It is an excellent source of vitamin A and C which strengthen the immune system. If you want to stay away from diseases and infections, you must include carrot juice in your diet. Anti-carcinogenic properties are found in carrot juice. Consuming carrot juice can help in preventing cancer. Several studies suggest that polyacetylenes, beta-carotene and lutein from carrot juice extract can be effective to reduce the risk of cancer. Potassium and antioxidants are found in carrot juice which help in reducing blood pressure. Consuming this healthy drink also reduces the risk of heart disease. Carrots are also beneficial for keeping the liver healthy. Both vitamin A and C found in carrot juice act as antioxidant and protect immune cells from free radical damage. Additionally, this juice is a rich source of vitamin B6. 1 cup or 236 grams of carrot juice provides 30% of daily required value of this vitamin. Not only is vitamin B6 necessary for optimal immune response, but a deficiency in it is also linked to weakened immunity. Carrot juice is low in calories and carbs while packaging numerous nutrients. Carrot juice is considered a boon for the eyes. Vitamin A and beta-carotene found in carrot improves the health of the eyes. Drinking carrot juice is also considered beneficial for improving eyesight. Especially 1 cup or 236 grams of carrot juice packs over 250% of the daily required value of vitamin A, mostly in the form of provitamin A carotenoid like beta-carotene. Vitamin A is vital for eye health. Several studies associate the intake of fruits and vegetables that contain provitamin A with a decreased risk of blindness and age-related eye disease. What's more, carrot juice is an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two other carotenoids that accumulate in our eyes and shield them from damaging light. High dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin may lower your risk of eye issues such as age-related macular degeneration. The fiber in carrot juice may aid in weight loss. As we all know that adequate fiber intake is necessary to lose excess weight, especially from the abdomen area. Now that carrot juice is also low in calories, which makes it a comfortable addition to your weight loss diet. The beta-carotene in the juice also boosts cognition and cuts down the long-term risk of age-related memory problem. One reason is its ability to fight oxidative stress that can damage brain cells. Oxidative stress in the brain can also cause cellular damage. The beta-carotene in carrot juice can prevent this damage. The potassium in carrot juice can also cut the risk of stroke. A cup of carrot juice contains 689 milligrams of potassium, meeting over 17% of our daily requirement of this nutrient. The fiber content in carrot juice, or for that matter any other fruit or vegetable juice in general, can promote regularity and boost digestive health. Carrot juice could be a good option for people with constipation. The potassium in carrot juice may also help treat diarrhea. Carrot puree can also help in this regard. Well, diarrhea is a condition in which your body loses large amounts of fluids through stool. Replenishing it with foods rich in potassium can greatly help. Carrot juice also contains alkaline compounds that may help treat acid reflux and GERD. It could be one of those foods that do not trigger symptoms. The alkaline acids can neutralize the excess stomach acid that causes these symptoms. However, there is less research in this regard, hence consult your doctor before consuming carrot juice for this purpose. Few studies suggest that certain compounds in carrot may protect against cancer, especially the polyacetylens, beta-carotene and lutein from carrot juice extract may be effective against human cancer cells. One test tube study found that treating leukemia and colon cancer cells with beta-carotene led to cancer cell death and stopped the cell growth cycle. In another animal study, polyacetylene from carrots reduced the number and growth rate of colorectal tumor in rats. While these results appear promising, more extensive result is needed in humans. So, carrot juice should not be considered as a cancer treatment. Drinking small amounts of carrot juice may help lower blood sugar levels. In particular, studies in rat with type 2 diabetes show that fermented carrot juice decreases blood sugar and improves other related markers. That's because the fermented juice contains probiotic, which are beneficial bacteria that affect gut bacteria associated with diabetes. These are very specific types of carrot juices. It isn't known whether regular carrot juice has similar effects. Also, carrot juice has a low glycemic index, a measure of how much a certain food increases your blood sugar levels. Consuming low glycemic foods and beverages may help improve blood sugar management in people with diabetes. Thus, carrot juice may be a good replacement for high glycemic index fruit juices. However, it's also important to keep portion sizes in check, as too much can spike blood sugar levels. The nutrients in carrot juice may be particularly beneficial for skin health. 1 cup or 236 grams of carrot juice provides over 20% of the daily required value of vitamin C, a water-soluble nutrient necessary for collagen production. This compound is the most abundant fibrous protein in our body, providing elasticity and strength to our skin. Additionally, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant to protect our skin from free radical damage. A review found that a carotenoid-rich diet may protect our skin from ultraviolet damage and improve skin appearance. Carrot juice may help reduce risk factors for heart disease. First, carrot juice is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays an important role in proper blood pressure regulation. A high potassium diet has been shown to protect against high blood pressure and stroke. Antioxidant compounds in carrot juice may also benefit our heart. A 3-month study in 17 adults with high cholesterol and triglyceride levels found that drinking 2 cups, which is 480 ml of carrot juice per day, significantly increases blood antioxidants and decrease the oxidation of blood lipids that may lead to heart disease. The potassium and antioxidants in carrot juice may help lower blood pressure and decrease risk factors for heart. The carotenoids in carrot juice are thought to promote liver health. Several studies indicate that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of carotenoid protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The NAFLD occurs when fat accumulates on your liver, typically as a result of unhealthy nutrition, excess weight, or obesity. It may eventually progress to liver scarring and lasting damage. While carrot juice is perfectly safe for most people, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Drinking very large amounts of carrot juice may lead to carotenemia, a condition that turns your skin yellow-orange as a result of high blood levels of beta-carotene. While it's not harmful, it can be alarming. Temporarily removing sources of beta-carotene from your diet typically resolves the issue. Additionally, carrot juice has less fiber than whole carrots and contains natural sugars. The lower fiber content means its sugars are absorbed more quickly, so drinking too much carrot juice may spike your blood sugar levels. Let me also inform you that carrot juice has low glycemic index, which means that it does not increase your blood sugar level as much as other juices. But you should still be careful to moderate your intake if you have diabetes, especially if you drink it on its own. I hope you will find this information on carrot juice helpful and you will keep these things in mind when you have carrot juice next time. That's all for this video and I'll see you in the next one at Riva Foods. Take care.